Welcome back to Primetime Sports. Sunday cricket is where we start. Now, the West Indies swept Pakistan women 3-0 following a 6-wicket win on Sunday in their one-day international series in Karachi. Now, as we hear in this report from Karen Madden, the victory was built around a player-of-the-match performance from captain Stefani Taylor.
Since the match, Pakistan women posted 225 for 7 from their 50 overs, with Maniba Ali top scoring with 58 before she was dismissed by a Jamaican combination caught Chanel Henry bowled captain Stefani Taylor. Ali got support from Alia Riaz, who was unbeaten on 44, against Shakira Selman 2 for 40 and Alia Alain 2 for 41. In their pursuit of victory, the Caribbean side was in early trouble when opener Deandra Dottin was sent back for only 4 runs after she was strapped LBW by Annan Amin. And it was 2 for 13 when another Jamaican, Rashada Williams, was caught behind off the bowling of Diana Baij. The Pakistani women were firmly in the driver's seat when Anim struck again, trapping Shemaine Campbell for 1, and the West Indies were tottering at 3 for 15. But Captain Taylor and Hayley Matthews kept steady nerves before the Barbadian went for a 58-ball 49. From then on, the visitors were in control, and Taylor and the fellow Jamaican Shireen Nation saw the side home, with the captain leading the way with a well-played 102 of 117 balls, and the nation contributing with 51, her first ODI half-century. Anim, 2 for 45, was the best of the Pakistani bowlers as West Indies reached their target at 226 of 4 from 44 overs. Taylor assessed what the result means for her team ahead of the ICC World Cup qualifiers in Zimbabwe.
I think this is huge, and seeing that we were coming off of a defeat, from South Africa, and to actually come here and win 3-0, I think we haven't done that in a while, and it's really nice that we, get to do that and, get ourselves match ready going into the qualifiers.
Taylor, who got to 5,000 ODI runs on Sunday, also reflected on her second ODI century in a year.
I've never really worried about myself, but I love scoring runs. I love batting, and once the team wins, I'm really happy about that. It's never happened before, and it's really nice. I'm hoping, I get 100 against the top team, so that's something that I've been working on.
The West Indies women will now travel to Zimbabwe for the ICC World Cup qualifiers. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.